Building an app in Python involves several steps, from planning and designing the application to coding, testing and deploying it. Here's a simplified guide to building a Python app. Define requirements. Clearly define the purpose and requirements of your application, including features, user interface, and functionality. Choose a framework. Select a suitable framework for your application. For web apps, popular choices include Flask or Django. For desktop GUI apps, you can use PyQt or Tkinter. Design the application. Plan the structure and architecture of your application, including user interfaces, data models, and business logic. Code the application. Write code to implement the functionality of your application, following best practices and adhering to coding standards. Test the application. Write unit tests and integration tests to ensure the reliability and correctness of your application's code. Debug and refine. Debug any issues that arise during testing and refine your code to improve performance, usability, and reliability. Document the application. Document your code and application architecture to make it easier for others to understand and contribute to the project. Deploy the application. Deploy your application to a hosting platform or distribute it to users, depending on the type of application you've built.